video, we're going to install Django. So if you go to Google and type in Django Python, you're going to get the djangoproject.com website. This is the main website for Django, and you can download the latest version. Here it's 2.0.6 from this website and do all kinds of things with it. We're not going to do that. I don't recommend you ever do that. The only thing this website really is good for is the documentation, which we actually will kind of look at from time to time. But to install Django ourselves, we're going to do it straight here from the PowerShell. So make sure your virtual environment is turned on, and to install Django, we just type in pip install Django. Now, this will install the latest version of Django. If you want to install an earlier version for some reason, and you may want to, if you're working on a legacy project that uses a certain version of Django, you need to install and use that version of Django. So to do that, you would just type in equals and then the version number. So if it's 1.11.5 or something, that's what you would do. Now this will install version 1.11.5. So make sure there's no spaces in here. That's important. It's all sort of one thing. You should be good to go. So we just want the latest version of Django, so pip install Django should do the trick. And so it's downloading it from pythonhosted.org, it looks like, and it's also installing this pytz. Not sure what that is, but it always does it every time. So now it's installing the packages pytz and Django, and this is, just about as easy as could be, right? Boom, now we're done. So if we go pip freeze, now it shows we have Django version 2.0.6 and this pytz 2018.4. Very, very cool. And that's it. Django is now installed. Pretty simple. In the next video, I know this is a very, very short video, but this is pretty easy, so I'm just gonna keep it short like this. In the next video, we'll jump in and actually start up our Django project and get all the files up and running.